I know you're looking for that elusive perfect home-based business, and let's face it, there are thousands of different opportunities out there. But before you just jump in, you need to have the answers to several very important questions if your business is going to produce you an ongoing income that will allow you financial independence and time freedom, and to be able to pass a legacy to your children. We see it time and time again where companies coming onto the market stay in place for a few years, and then for whatever reason, they close or fold, and if you were unlucky enough to be at the top of the tree, then your income simply stops and you have to start all over again. So, we all have to learn from our own mistakes, and it was Bill Clinton that said, "Fool me once, shame on you, fool me twice, shame on me." So before I became part of this amazing opportunity and really got engaged, I asked myself the following questions to ensure I was making the right decision. 1. Do you have to pay to join this opportunity? 2. Is there a monthly fee that I would also have to pay? 3. Do I have to recruit or sell each month, or is there a monthly requirement I need to achieve to keep my position in the company? 4. Are the products the company has produced legitimate, and what I mean by this is, are they legal and able to be offered and utilized in each and every country where they will be offered? 5. Does the company have viable saleable products, in other words, are they necessary, in demand, and is there a marketplace for these products? 6. Do these products have longevity? Will they evolve over time, and will more be created? 7. Am I in competition with all of the other people within the company, and would it be a dog-eat-dog situation? 8. Can I make money? And when I say can I make money, I mean can I create financial independence, where I can choose what I want to do, when I want to do them, without the need to have to worry about paying for them? 9. Once I have covered myself, will I be able to help my friends and family? 10. Can I pass this on to my children for them to benefit when I am no longer here? 11. Do I have to pay to join this opportunity? Yes, the fee is $97 plus a credit card fee of $5 equals $102.12. Is there a monthly fee that I would also have to pay? You would only have to pay this one time. The company will be driving traffic and will create sufficient customers to cover the monthly costs from the commissions earned, so yes, you pay this each month, but your commissions will more than cover the cost after you have just 3 customers, so whether you find them or whether you allow the company to do this for you, either way, this would be covered in the first month. 13. Do I have to recruit or sell each month, or is there a monthly requirement I need to achieve to keep my position in the company? No, the company does this for you. It creates your website, making changes to this website every day so our websites remain at the top of the search engines. The company then drives specific targeted traffic to your website using a daily created sales funnel, and then closes the sale for you, taking on a new customer, enabling you to grow your team without even having to speak to any of the potential customers. 14. Are the products the company has produced legitimate, and what I mean by this is, are they legal and able to be offered and utilized in each and every country they are offered? Yes, the company already has several products where patents have been accepted in the USA, with many more following. In addition, they have opened their books and company details to regulators in over 200 countries in order to obtain what you might call a gold seal of approval. In addition, it is imperative to ensure that all of the anti-money laundering regulations in every country are also adhered to, so our lawyers have been liaising with the relevant tax authorities to ensure these will be covered by each founder when the company launches. It will also make it easier for you to deal with your tax affairs each year. 15. Does the company have viable saleable products? In other words, are they necessary, in demand, and is there a marketplace for these products? Yes, there are over 50 products being launched on a platform where anyone who uses the internet already would use these tools and products, and therefore the potential marketplace is over 4 billion potential customers. 16. Do these products have longevity? Yes, each product will have additional features added regularly, with further new products being created as we move forward. 17. Am I in competition with all of the other founders of the company, and is it a dog-eat-dog situation? Absolutely not, we are all on this journey together. It is certainly the first company I have ever come across, where all of the other founders are happy to help one another grow and achieve success, where we share ideas and encourage everyone to ensure they achieve success. 18. Can I make money? And when I say can I make money, I mean can I create financial independence where I can choose what I want to do when I want to do them without the need to have to worry about paying for them? Yes, absolutely, there are no limits. You can choose to be active or passive in this business. If you decide to simply let the company build your customer base, it will obviously take longer to achieve your financial goals, so you can shorten this time frame by simply sharing the vision with others in order to reach your income goal quicker. 19. Once I have covered myself, can I help others? Yes, there are many geniuses that we already know well, the likes of Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, Jeff Bezos, and Elon Musk etc. But our CEO has a heart for humanity and wants to help others, so not only has he created Onpassive to enable ordinary people like me and you to make money, but he has also created Bless, which will enable each of us to be able to give back to those that are in need. 20. Can I pass this on to my children for them to benefit when I am no longer here? Absolutely. We would obviously recommend that you obtain a last will and testament to ensure your wishes are met, but this business can be passed on to generations to come so that your children and their children will also benefit. Andy Burke's UK A Bill Must production.